So I'm in the middle of fixing up my 9.5 for inspection. Yeah, it looks like ass now, but that's why I'm fixing it up. The car runs fine, no problems at all, but the exhaust system which was on it, which is over here, well, cat, yes, that's legal. Yes, so far legal, but oh my god, there's no resonator. And this is actually a signpost to hold up like street signs, believe it or not. It's the exact same diameter as the stock Saab exhaust, which is pretty cool. And it ends up in a Simon's muffler. Very, very ugly. So definitely not approved. Very, very loud. Despite having two cats, and that Simon's muffler is actually pretty decent size. Look how long it is. Like compared to this one, which is like a part of a dual exhaust Saab 9.5 system, and those are small compared to that one. So what I'm doing here is welding up, or this is actually factory, or not the factory, but this is replaced because Norway car. This is a replacement muffler which was on this car when I bought it, but as always the studs on it were rusted out, so nuts, the threads, they weren't threads anymore, so the nuts were only spinning on it. So what I'm doing here now is I'm taking a couple of bolts like that, and I'm going to weld them directly to the flange. Yeah, it's rusty, but I'm going to try to weld them directly to the flange like that. Well, you have to hammer that in, but you get what I mean? Weld them directly to the flange and see if that will hold. This is actually a performance flex. This is actually a bigger diameter. You can't really see that, can you? Yeah, you can probably see that. That's a 2.5 inch flex pipe. So when I get my new exhaust system, which I'm gonna order, but I didn't have time to order it this time. It's a bolt up straight after that, but well, this one will be a bottleneck in itself, because the rest of the system will be a 3 inch. So, and also I'm building myself a 3 inch down pipe as well. So yeah, I'm going to try to weld up this exhaust here. I'm gonna see if I can set you up somewhere so you can, well, join the experience here as I'm welding up this super rusty exhaust, which is going to be a challenge. So I'm gonna see if I can prop you up somewhere, probably with a wide angle camera, and see if I can, no, you know what, I'm not going to set you to wide angle, because I have to set the phone kind of a bit away so you don't get any sparks on the phone, because that would be bad. So I'm gonna set you up somewhere, and let's see if you can weld this up. Well, I did manage to prop you up somehow, so I'm gonna get myself the welder. And, I'm only MIG welding this because, well, I feel like that's the most, that's the easiest when you have a rusty exhaust, that's for sure. Get ground. Yeah, end of the muffler there, probably. I don't know. Turn off that heat. Make sure you get some really good heat into that metal, because when it's that rusty, you have to melt pretty much everything. So, let's see if this works. Well, we're just gonna count that holds. We'll pretend at least. If I tighten down this screw here, is it gonna hold? That is the question, because if it's holding, that's good. If not, well. Oh wow, I can get some really good torque on these bolts now. Yeah. Well, yeah, that actually did hold pretty decently. Ugh. Ah, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna shove some exhaust paste on this thing and yeah, definitely had some good. You can see how the metal has gone worn down to the black metal. That means this flange here actually did its job and actually, well, flanging, or we call it. And those bolts actually didn't turn out that bad. So yeah, well, definitely not good though. But that's as good as I can get it right now. Yeah, not bad. Time to get this. This is actually Walker muffler. That's the, whoa, that's the name of it. It's still really hot. Doesn't look like it, but it's really, really hot. So hopefully this is gonna hold. Or I'm sorry, but this is like a mandatory step that you take when you do exhaust work. That's well, run the exhaust open, so it's right at the cats, so you can see the muffler. Well, this isn't in, so well, it is gonna be loud, that's for sure. That was actually more quieter than I thought it would be. Probably due to the turbo. A little backfires and stuff, that's how it is. Well, that's one quiet car. Wow. Well, that's worked out fine. Some noise from the serpentine belt, but it's not an issue. Well, that's super nice. Kind of bad to replace it with a 3-inch. I just wish I had a 3-inch that was actually quiet. Well, I guess you can do that with if you fit a super big rear or middle silencer. If you can find one. Oh, yeah, that is that's nice. That's the only word I can say for it. That's very nice. Yeah, I did replace a wheel bearing because of this is the old one, which is not bad or anything, but it had a broken stud in it, or a broken bolt. So this is a good non-good one. Has done, I don't know, 90,000 kilometers. Man, this engine this is such a nice running engine. Man, I love this thing. And it has done, this is a stage 3, yeah, I'm gonna tune it down with this exhaust on, but this is a stage 3, 275 horsepower, 400 newton meters, 2 liter stock. Well, apart from the turbo, which is the TD04, but other than that, it's pretty much stock. It has the big intake snorkel, but that was already on this car when I got it for some reason. I don't know why I got that. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing off so I can dismantle the big lights here. I'm gonna take those off. Yeah, there's the big interior snorkel right there. Yeah, actually sounds louder. I don't know, I don't care what people say. I can definitely hear a turbo way better with this snorkel than the smaller one, and especially when you're running a big tune like I'm doing. And this recirculation valve is a bit stiffer than the original one. It takes a bit longer time to open, so you got that little that dog bark sound from the from the turbo, like, and you can hear that out of that pipe there. So that's nice. It's kind of like my 9000 over here. Same thing. That thing also barks. So man, this is a great car. I love this thing. So yeah, there you go. That's how to weld up your studs to repair your exhaust. I can't believe how well that worked. Very nice. Also, I hope you like my new video setup here. Like it. I don't know what you think about it. This is my new phone, and I can do some magic trick here. Look at this. And there I am. Yep, I got a little flip camera on this phone. This is it's very nice. Films in 8K. This now it records in 4K 60, which I do strongly believe it's a better solution for YouTube. Definitely. So yeah, I can do a pan shot. I can do this. I can stand right over here. Let's see, here we go. I'm gonna stand here, I'm gonna pan over to my car. That's the 9000, this is 240, this is my Celica, or that's not my Celica, that's my friend's Celica. That's the Celica. And there you go. Man. Yeah, check engine light is on because of the the oxygen sensors are not plugged in at the moment. But yeah, very nice.